Next, we'll talk about selections. Selections and zooms. Probably we'll talk about the zoom settings as well. So as you know that we can rotate and we can zoom in, zoom out using the mouse wheel and things like that. So for selection, there are two types of selection that's available. So let me exit out of this one. If you want to exit out of a command, you have to press space bar. So it goes into selection mode automatically. You click on the drop down and then you see there are two types of selection. One is a window selection, another one is a lasso selection. So now with the window selection, within window selection, there is two types you can do it. One is window selection, that's basically called window selection, and then a cross selection. So what is the difference? Let's say window selection, any object that I fully cover within, which comes within the box of selection, that will be selected. Now you can see any lines that I have that is within the box, they all will be selected. But this line, I haven't covered it fully. You can see I didn't cover it fully, so that is not selected. Whereas with the cross selection, anything that I touch, as long as I touch the object, all those things will be selected. So that's the difference between a window selection and a cross selection. Next we have lasso. So you can select whatever you want with the shape of your choice. So with that one, you can select it. And so if you want to exit out of the command, you can press enter, it goes to the default selection mode. And then you click outside, you select something and then click outside, it deselects it. And then you select it and then you right click it and then it gives you the right click menu for that particular object. And then you can select the edges, you can right click, it gives you the options for the edges. And then you see on the left side, there is a list of tools that you have. Sometimes what you might have is like an object which will be sitting right on another corner and you don't know what are the other objects out there. So then you have an option called zoom extent. When you click on it, it brings every drawing objects within your drawing within the visible window space so that you can see all the objects. Even if something is too far, you might say everything too tiny, but it brings everything to the visible screen. And then you see here we have the zoom, orbit, pan, and we have the zoom function, zoom window. Zoom window is like if I want to go into one particular location, you can go to zoom window and then you can create a quick window and then it takes you into that location. So that is your zoom window. And undo previous camera view, you click on it, it goes to the previous view that we were in. But sometimes it is really useful when you might be working on one particular location, you might have accidentally zoomed out, you can click on it and then it takes you into that particular view. And then I think this basically some of those things, and what we do is as we go further, we'll understand a bit more about some of these functions as well. Okay, so we'll see in the next lesson.